Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do Pisces weekly reading for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Your first card, Six of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles. I think Pisces, you are working on your career for some. Right now you are concentrating on your career, balancing things in your life. For some you want to work on this relationship, and now you want to offer equal give and take. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Definitely Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, you want to offer something solid to your person, but it is very slow moving energy. You are in very slow moving energy. Now you want to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles is also very slow moving energy. And Six of Pentacles. Yeah, there is no equal give and take in this connection in past, but now you want to offer this to your person. For some, you are concentrating on your career and goals right now, because Pentacles, all Pentacles talking about. So let's see some more. Yeah, Nine of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Yeah, you have strong emotions for your person. Queen of Pentacles and Nine of Cups. Yeah, you are wishing for your person. Your person is very caring, giving and sharing person. Definitely you are wishing for your person. Yeah, Nine of Cups, your wishes will be granted, because Nine of Cups is a wish fulfillment card. See, definitely your wishes will be granted. If you're working for your career growth, definitely you will be see some positive result there. And relationship also, in relationship wise also, you will see some positive results, because energy could be vice versa. It could be your person also. Your person have strong emotions for you. It could be you have strong emotions for your person. Energy could be vice versa, depending upon your situation. Three of Pentacles, Lord of Pentacle energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Eight of Cups, Seven of Cups. Yeah, one person in this connection is walked away. There is separation between both of you. For some, Three of Pentacles, because there is no collaboration between both of you. That's why the separation is happened between both of you. And Seven of Cups. Yeah, one person have options in this connection. That's why the other person is walked away. It could be you or your person. I think your person may be walked away from you. Seven of Cups. Here, yeah, Three of Pentacles, because there is no collaboration and there is no partnership between both of you. One person invests more than the other person. I think Six of Pentacles is here. I think your person put a lot of effort in this connection. Now you realize your person worth. Now you want to offer equal give and take. Now you want to offer balance in this connection. I think your person is very caring, giving and sharing. I am getting. You also have strong emotion for your person, but you are not showing properly to your person. So let's pull some more. Wheel of Fortune, Princess of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, King of Cups and Queen of Cups. You both have emotions for each other. Wow. Yeah, definitely things are turning maybe in your favor or your person favor. Later it will reveal who this. So definitely Princess of Pentacles and Prince of Pentacles is here. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you in the month of November. And Queen of Cups, definitely your person have also you both have strong emotions for each other. Definitely two times King of Cups and Queen of Cups. You both are a very loving couple and very caring and giving couple. But something is happened between, for some, definitely for some there is separation. It could be any reason, but things are changing. Definitely things are changing. Wheel of Fortune, this is for good change. So let's pull some cards. Your person, near future, your person, feelings and their near future action. Then we will get clarity, more clarity. Two cards. I am only pick one card. Seven of Swords, Three of Pentacles and Four of Swords. Yeah, I think Seven of Swords energy is here. I think one person in this connection may be manipulative, playing games, cheated and lied to you, whatever. Or it could be you person, maybe there is no Three of Pentacles two times. There is no collaboration between both of you. For some, you both could be colleagues also. Yeah, your person right now not making any move. Definitely there is some disturbing energy between both of you, some sneaky energy, because Seven of Swords is here. I think your person thinking that you are very sneaky person here, their current feelings towards you. That's why, and they are also thinking that you are not putting effort as much as they're putting in this connection. That's why they are now taking their time, they are healing, they are undergoing some healing, they are not talking to you because they don't want to talk to you, because it's your turn to take some action towards them. They're feeling like that, their feelings. So let's see their actions. Hangman, the Tower, Justice. If you are waiting for your action to take towards you, I think there are no action cards here. You see the Hangman, definitely your person stuck right now. They are not going to take any action in near future also. And the Tower, definitely some Tower moment is going to be happen between both of you. They are not going to take any action. And Justice, yeah, they cut you off. They don't want to give second chance also if you want, because they stand by their power. Definitely, I think there is no equal give and take, and there is no collaboration, there is no partnership. That's why they cut you off, they walk away from you. Pisces, yeah, cards are telling like this. Energy could be vice versa, I'm telling. So yeah, your person would be Libra, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Libra. Lot of air energies here, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy. Definitely your person stuck right now. They are undergoing some spiritual awakening, because Four of Swords with Hangman. Definitely they are stuck right now. They are taking their time to heal. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection in near future is headed. Four of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and two more cards from this deck. Four of Cups, see, two times the World. Four of Cups two times. Definitely your person not going to accept the cup of love which is offered by you, because the one person who invests a lot in this connection, Seven of Pentacles, is your person. I am seeing. Yeah, you are going to offer your love to your person, but now your person not accepting the cup of light. Two times Four of Cups here, connection cards from different decks. Yeah, World card. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different state, different countries, and different cities. Yeah, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. But I think your person may, I think you are going to wait for your person. Seven of Pentacles, you want to invest on this connection. In past, your person waiting for you, but tables have turned your person favor. Wheel of Fortune means your person favor. Definitely you are going to wait for your person. Messages, calls, definitely. But your person right now stuck. They are not going to take any action. Pisces, sorry, but God's saying like this. Lot of water energy here. Definitely your person would be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see Pisces, your overall energy for the week. Ten of Cups, High Priestess, and Chariot. Yeah, Pisces, you want to take things to next level. At least you want moments in this connection. Chariot, your person could be Cancer. Chariot is also slow moving energy, but still you want. And High Priestess, you are now listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. And Ten of Cups, you want this happiness with your person. Definitely you want this happiness with your person. You are waiting for your person. Yeah, you are trusting your intuition and making decision based on your intuition. And yeah, Chariot, Cancer, definitely you want to make things better between both of you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. See, you both have same cards. High Priestess, Nine of Wands, and Page of Cups. I don't read river cards, that's why. So here I read because it apt for the reading. They're guarded, and Page of Cups. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. See, Ten of Wands. They are free. Your person want to free from this burden, and Eight of Pentacles, they don't want to work on this relationship anymore because they are not accepting the cup of love which is offered by you. See, cards are damn apt for the reading. Very very accurate. Page of Cups, they don't want to send any message, they don't want to send any apology, because this is not their time. You have to take action this time because they already put their energy and effort in this connection. Yeah, Nine of Wands. Yeah, they are not guarded up, but they are not going anymore towards you right now in near future. Wow, gods are very crazy this time. Yeah, they are also trusting their intuition. Yeah, you follow your intuition, your person also follow their intuition, definitely. So if you want something with your person, you have to make effort, Pisces, because your person right now, they are not going to accept any offer. They are undergoing some healing, they are stuck, and this time you have to make some effort towards your person, towards for your connection, whatever. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. You will get all my video notifications. Thank you for the support. Bye.